For question number 1, this is the fundamental principle of counting. We have 3 letters and we're going to arrange them. So if I was going to consider the 3 events, we have 3 choices for the first letter, and then once we have picked one, we have 2 more for the second letter, and then we just have 1 left. So really not much choice. So we should have 6 different code words. And we can list this very easily. Let's see, a choice of 3 letters. If I picked N first, well then my choices for I have 2 more for the next one, so I could have NF, or I could have NU. And then the third letter just kind of follows. This would have to be a U, this would have to be an F, so NFU, NUF. If I picked F as my first letter, well then I have 2 choices for the next. I could have FUN or FN, and then I have to have a U, so fun fnu. And then I also could pick a U for my first letter, in which case I'd have UFN or UNF. And there are my 6 choices. And even though we're using the very same 3 letters in each case, clearly we have different code words here because of the order, right? The order is what makes them distinct choices. For question 2, if we were going to use the letters in the word function, well again, fundamental theorem of counting. My first event has 8 choices because I have 8 letters, but then I only have 7 choices for the second letter because I've used up 1, and then 6. The same way for question 3, 400 students, this is fundamental theorem. I have 400 students I can pick from for president, but then once that role is filled, only $3.99 for vice and $3.98 for secretary treasurer. And for question 4, again, order matters here. I don't know why. It all tastes the same when you're chewing on it, but somebody might say order does matter. So we have 4 items that we could put on first, but then once we've put an item on, we only have 3 choices, and then 2 choices to go on that, and 3 to go on that. And I'm just going to say, it kind of looks a little factorial-ish here, that this clearly, number 1 is 3 factorial. Number 4 is 4 factorial. These, question 2 and question 3, right, these ones, this and this, they're almost factorial, but they don't go all the way down to 1. So here's a little trick. I could have written this as 8 factorial over 5 factorial. So everything is going to cancel from 5 on. And this I could write as 400 factorial over 397 factorial. Factorial over 2 factorial.